two W3 schools for some, because I should point you in every lecture. You should go through this so that which will be useful for you. So these are the selectors. We have seen the element selector, ID selector, hash, and this is ID name cannot start with the number. Okay, now we will go for the class selector. Now the class selector select HTML element with specific class attribute. Okay, we will go for it. Let's go for the class selector. Instead of ID, you can apply the class like keyword class. You can group multiple elements with giving the same class name. Let's say class sample. Now with this class name you can apply the style. So for that, again in style you have to go with dot the class name instead of hash for ID, dot for class to group multiple elements and apply the same style. So every element belongs to the class sample will have this attribute. Let me copy and only change the values first so that it will save our time. Okay, fine. So this is the class selector. This is the class selector. Let me apply that class selector to some another element. So like this group of elements, I can apply the same style with the class selector. So tell me, do you understand the class selector? Definitely question in your mind that ID and class difference, but at least tell me
Yes, sir.
how to use the class selector. Do you understand? Okay, let's check difference in class and ID selectors. Okay, I'm blindly going to any of the site. Okay, I think CSS tricks will be good. IDs are unique. Each element can be have only one ID, and each page can have only one element with that ID. Class is not unique. You can use the same class on multiple elements. You can use multiple classes on the same. Okay, one class on multiple elements means same class you can apply for H1, paragraph, table, image, and a single multiple classes you can apply to the same element. Means suppose one class is defining which should be the font, another class is defining what should be the background color. So font is one class and color is another class. So you can apply two classes to the same element. You can apply two classes for the same element. So see here is an example. Div is one element, to that class is defined and the two classes are applied. First is widget and second is big. Means whatever properties, whatever style defined with widget and whatever properties defined by big, both the styles will be applied to this div. So remember this also, this is again a combinator. More than one classes can be applied to a single element.